How to turn off direct messages notifications on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off direct messages notifications on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here and now click this one, settings and privacy, and then you will see notifications. Click on it and now click this one, preferences, and then click push notifications, and then just go down and you will find this one, direct messages. Just click on it to turn it off, or click on it again and you will turn it on. And that's how turn off direct message notifications on Twitter. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.